I really wanted to get into renewable energy, and I saw this opportunity with SOLV, and looking into the company, it seemed like an organization that did construction but also had a mission that involved giving back to the community, and that's something that I really believe in. It seemed like a great opportunity to get in the door in renewable energy.
Overall, this experience has been really engaging and has helped me figure out what I want to do post-graduation as far as, a specific path or industry or career.
It's been really great. I've had great mentors, great people to follow. My senior PE has taught me a lot lately, and I had the opportunity to go outside with our electrical foremen and kind of get the gist of what I've wanted to learn when it comes to the best yard.
I've learned so much. The team really welcomed me in and is happy to teach me anything, everything. Anytime I have a question, someone comes in and answers. And I just have had a lot of different experiences seeing different aspects of the project, so it's been a really great experience.
My favorite parts of the internship has to be the site visit, right? So where they take all of the employees, interns, and bring them over to a specific solar site, because that was important in the sense that, working in the office, you're not privy to the sheer magnitude or scale of what a solar site encompasses and all the coordination that goes into it. So seeing that firsthand, talking to the teams in person, it was a humbling and educational experience. And, in spite of the heat, in spite of the long commute, it was so cool to see all the work that I put in, as finance, inputting invoices or reviewing statements. I could see the familiar names, and that was a cool culmination of my internship as a whole.
Getting to actually be in the field is really important for the work that we do, but then also to have a better sense of what the company does.
It's a great way that I've been able to put my knowledge from classes and my experience at Cal Poly to use and be able to see how all the things come together and make one big solar farm.
It's really clear that SOLV cares about you as an individual. It's important that you get high quality work done. SOLV Energy understands that you have to be of sound mind and a healthy individual to get that work done. So they invest in not only your technical abilities, but your overall happiness as well.
They do a fantastic job of reminding you that it's okay to get out of your comfort zone, because if it's for improving yourself professionally and both personally, then you're on the right track.
SOLV has been really great, and the company in itself is innovating day by day, and I feel like somebody else could come in and put in their piece in order for us to become 100% accurate as to what we want to achieve in the future.